Viewers, you are welcome once again to Bayelsa State TV on YouTube. My name is Alàgbà Adébọ́lá. Don't forget that you can like, share, and subscribe on Bayelsa State TV on YouTube for more information relating to agriculture. You can equally ask any question on 080 340 343 81. 080 340 34381. I'm still on the series of 2024 seasonal climate prediction has been released by Nigerian Meteorological Agency NIMET for the year 2024. It is my interest to present the 774 local government areas and their headquarters that we have in the country. And my approach is through the geopolitical zones we have in the country via the states. Now I am on South-South local government, the South-South region of Nigeria, and I am hereby presenting Bayelsa State. Bayelsa State has been released by Nigerian Meteorological Agency as follows. In Bayelsa State, we have Brass local government, with its headquarters at Tuambra. The onset of rain in Brass local government is March 6, and the rain will stop by December 21, 2024. In Bayelsa State, there is Ekeremo local government, with its headquarters at Ekeremo, and the onset of rain is March 12, and the rain will stop by 18th December 2024. Kolokuma Opokuma local government in Bayelsa State, at its headquarters at Kayama town, and the onset of rain is March 14, and the rain will stop by December 16, 2024. Nembe local government in Bayelsa State, at its headquarters at Oguloma, and the onset of rain is March 7, and the rain will stop by December 21, 2024. In Bayelsa State, we have Ogbiya local government, having its headquarters at Ogbiya town. The onset of rain is March 10, and the rain will stop by December 19. Sagbama local government in Bayelsa State, at its headquarters at Sagbama town. The onset of rain is March 15, and the rain will stop by December 15, 2024. Southern Ijaw local government in Bayelsa State, at its headquarters at Ogorom town, and the onset of rain is March 8, and the rain will stop by December 20. The last but not the least is Southern Ijaw, like I said, with its headquarters at Ogorom town, and the onset of rain is March 8, and the rain will stop by December 20. The last but not the least in Bayelsa local government is Yenagoa. Yenagoa local government with its headquarters at Yenagoa. The onset of rain is March 15, and the rain will stop by December 16, 2024. And so it is in the 8 local government areas in Bayelsa State and their headquarters. Don't forget that my source is a document printed in October 9, 2023, tagged 774 local government areas in Nigeria and their headquarters. And I have presented the 2024 seasonal climate prediction has been released by Nigerian Meteorological Agency NIMET for the year 2024. If you want to ask any question on related to agriculture, you can call 080 340 34381. 080 340 34381. And don't forget to click on my YouTube Bayelsa State TV. Like, share, and subscribe. Until I bring another episode onto your views again, I am yours sincerely, Alàgbà Adébọ́lá. Bye.